talk about the weather right now because Chief Meteorologist Scott Padgett, who is joining us now, you're keeping your eye on some pretty severe stuff overnight here.
And the potential is there. That's why we issued the alert for tonight and also going into Thursday. As you take a look at the first alert, satellite and radar combined, we are looking at a severe storm that still is just down over Freestone and Limestone County. That severe thunderstorm warning remaining in effect until 6:15. What is now new, there is now a flash flood warning for Freestone and Limestone County. And here's the reason why. Over just an hour, picking up about 2.3, almost 2.5 inches of rain in one spot. So the flooding is there, but look out to the west. Line of storms that has developed along the dry line. This is what we will see move into North Texas later tonight. There are tornado watches and also severe thunderstorm watches out to the west. So let's talk about the alert a little bit more for you. Strong to severe storms possible late tonight into Thursday morning. Damaging winds flooding the biggest threat. The hail threat is higher to the west. Now there's a flood watch for parts of North Texas through Thursday early afternoon. And then we have another round of storms likely on Thursday night. So stay with me as we look at the first alert futurecast. There's the activity that we're seeing right now that will continue to move its way to the north. But look at this line that develops late tonight. Here we are around 11 o'clock between Graham to Breckenridge, close to Eastland County. From 11 to near midnight to 2 in the morning, approaching the I-35 corridor, still holding its strength, breaking up just a little bit. But the potential of the flooding rains and the damaging winds there. We will be here in the overnight hours. Meteorologist Amittis Brown in early as well to continue our coverage on CBS News Texas. Then by the time we go into the early morning hours, at least by sunrise, a lot of the activity shifting its way to the east. Then we have a small break through the day. Atmosphere tries to recover through most of the day. Another complex of storms coming off of the dry line and the cold front moving in makes a run for North Texas late then on Thursday night into early Friday morning. Same setup for us, possibly that line of storms moving in and the potential there of maybe some strong to possibly severe storms. And then we start to see on Friday that breakdown a little bit and then possibly another complex on Friday night. So we're in this pattern right now of these strong to severe storms on the dry line, then moving their way to the east. The concern, of course, is the flooding. That flood watch in effect from 7 p.m. tonight through 1 p.m. on Thursday does include Kaufman County, Van Zandt County, down through parts of Bosque County and south and east of that. The ground is very saturated, and we're going to add more rain on top of that, maybe 2.5 to 4 inches of rain in some localized spots. So the risk factor is there. That slight risk of severe storms then goes up to that level 3, the enhanced risk of severe storms for tonight. Then going into tomorrow, marginal risk through the Metroplex, that slight risk further off to the west. So rounds of rain on the way. You're able to see that. The first alert 3-day forecast shows the alert in place for tomorrow. A lot of rain coverage. Friday that tapers off. Friday night goes up again. Saturday a 50-50 shot of showers and storms in the forecast. And we have even more rain on Sunday. So that's going to add to the flooding concerns. We have not issued an alert yet for Sunday, but there is that possibility. Over the next 7 days, 2.5 to near 4 inches of rain in some localized spots. So we rounded out April with a very wet one, about 3.5, almost 4 inches of rain above average. And we're going to be seeing more rain going into Saturday into Sunday as you look at the first alert futurecast. So just make sure that you keep that in mind. 80 degrees for us right now. We're sitting at 80 at DFW, 82 in Addison. Your first alert 7-day forecast shows that we have rain all the way through the weekend. Then on Monday, small rain chances. And then Ken and Nicole by Tuesday and Wednesday, we dry out and we heat up.